श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं देभक्षादिगुणार्णं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिम्. Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna said three gunas: mode of goodness, mode of passion, mode of ignorance. Sattva, Rajaha, Tamaha. And who was in Sattva guna, they behave as like the mode of passion or mode of goodness. So in Sattvic, the Sattvic entity, example Ramayana gives the Vibhishana. And the mode of passion, Rajogunam. So the Rajogunam compares the Ramayana as Ravanasura. The Tamogunam mode of ignorance, the Kumbhakarna. So Lanka is body. In that body, the soul entered because of desire. So when the soul desire golden deer, when the mind attached to worldly things, so the soul reached in the Lanka, 9 doors, 9 dwaras Lanka. The soul discovered Sattva, Rajas, Tamaha. The soul when realized through Sattvic mode of goodness, so the mind compared as Sattvic, the Sattvic Gunam surrendered to Perumal, Ramachandramurti. So this is the comparison. So mode of goodness and saying about and how will wear the dresses and how will eat the Sattvic foods, how will speak Manasa Vacha Karmana, mentally, vibrally and physically Manasa Vacha Karmana, how will behave. Said the Sattvic, Rajasic foods and Rajasic behavior and Rajasic dresses and Tamasic persons how will dress and how will behave and how will eat. So these three gunas will show us the three attitudes. So Sattvic, they can become as vegetarian foods. So they are never harmful to animals. So Rajasic food, every time they need to eat. They were living, so need to food actually. That is the Sattvic. The Rajasic, we should eat for Janma. So the Janma is cause to eat. The Tamasic, every time intoxication and go on by habits. So the alcoholics, so every time eat the animals and sleep every time sleeping, so they don't respond any situations, so they would become as intoxication. So these are the three gunas. So the main, the Sattvic guna, and Ramayana will say, the Sattvic guna will wear white dresses. White is Sattvic, red is shows Rajasic, and black is Tamogun. So Sitama Talli when disturbed, she was in trouble in Lanka. So she was suffering from Ravana and she is waiting for Rama. That moment, one day, the Trijata, she is the demon. Actually, Ravanasura put it her to disturb the Sitama Talli. So one day, Brahmi Muhurtam, she dreamt Ravanasura wearing the black clothes. So he is running and he is claimed on Yas and Kumbhakarna also claimed on another ass. They are going on asses. So she was dreamt and Vibhishana wearing the white dress. So the dreams she said to Sitamatal. So Sitama, so what am I saying? Rama will come. So you should escape from from Ramana, and Ramachandramurti was doing rescue will success, and Ramachandramurti will protect you because Ravanasura wearing black dress. So who wear the black dress? That is the ruin life. So ruin. So that thing will show. So they can disturb by tamogunam. So when they got tamogunam, so they wear the black dress. So they wear the black dress, that is why the tamogunam will come? No. So the when mind will become as tamogunam, they wear the black dress. So and somebody will say the hair is black. So what will you do? So that's why the sin will reach hair. That is why in Punyatirthas every time we should bath. So and who will attempt the sin? So they do the head bath. The nails and the hair is the symbol of sin. So that is why every 15 days the hair should be removed. So then the hair should remove, and then they come to home and they should head bath, because the all sins will reach to hair. So that cause Tirumala when will reach, we will remove the hair, because the sins will destroy. So the tamogun, so we are wearing the black hair, so we are proudish. So every time through hair, who got hair in young age, they get pride. So in young age, so because of proud they behave because of black hair. So God would say, so you should care your life. The sattvic gunam will enter. You can concentrate on God. Your mind will attach to God, from worldly to and towards to God, because the way have black hair become as white hair. Why? Because the white hair will shows the mode of goodness, sattvic. So because of that, then old age could say, when will old age will come, we can concentrate on God. That is the vanaprastham. So the hair will shows when will become as white, that is the most mode of goodness. The hair when did get as black, that is the tamasic. We should remind. So never wear the black dress. Ramayanam did say that thing. Srimate Ramanujan.